subscribers and now a newfound friend and nomad from my YouTube channel. We hooked up and he helped me go find Justin, a mechanic that is way over there about 4 washes away. Leave it to Justin to find a parking place like that. And I had to go find Justin because my transmission quit working this morning. It won't go out of drive. Well, it would, but it would make a horrible noise and people would think Third World War had started. So I'm stuck in drive, engine's running. Justin's gonna come to Quartzsite to help me out. I gotta go because I'm running out of gas. Bye. All right, so here's what my van sounds like when I take it out of drive. Are you ready? So not good. So I'm fixing to drive it to a mechanic and see what happens. So I think it's going to be good news. We'll see. Now I'm just waiting. Hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. It's all good. Hi everybody. So I have spent the greater part of my morning at Best Auto on Central in Quartzsite, and these people are amazing. This is Elsie, and they have taken such good care of me, and it was something nominal, and I thought my Tranny had blown out. And they're pet friendly and great staff, and if you are in Quartzsite and need any mechanic work, I highly recommend these guys. Thank you. We'll see you down the road.